African traditional dish, Achu and yellow soup. Achu and yellow soup is a typical African traditional dish of the Ngamba clan in Cameroon. It is a dish so abundant in various food nutrients. This traditional dish, because of its richness, has become so popular that it is now eaten all over the country and in many countries of the world. The process to come out with a tasty dish of Achu and yellow soup is in 3 stages: the preparation, the actual pounding, and the yellow soup preparation. The preparation. The main ingredients for preparing Achu and yellow soup are cocoa yams, banana, red palm oil, cow meat and skin, salt, Maggi, limestone, usually called Niki, Achu soup spices, and pepper. The pepper is only for those who eat it. In my village setting, the cocoa yams and bananas are harvested from the farm while the other ingredients are bought from the market or store. Of course, in a city, one has to buy all the parts. The traditional plates, banana leaves, are also harvested and warmed over a glowing fire, then split into rectangular forms ready for use in the second stage to tie the Achu, cocoa yam fufu, itself. In a city, we use a dish in place of the leaves. The cocoa yam and banana are washed and put in a sizable pot, beginning with the cocoa yams, then the banana, and finally some tender or young cocoa yams at the top. The pot is then covered with banana leaves or foil paper and allowed to cook until the cocoa yam and banana are soft enough for pounding. The actual pounding. When the cocoa yam and banana are well cooked. Firstly we peel the tender or young cocoa yams and pound. Then pound the banana and mixed with the pounded cocoa yam. This is done in about 2 or more batches depending on the quantity. Each batch is mixed up with the previous one to keep it continuously soft and smooth. At the end of this stage, all the pounded cocoa yam and banana are well mixed until it is smooth to form a dough. Water is added if the dough is too tight, otherwise, it is just fine. The softer dough, or call it, Achu, is then removed and tied up in bundles known as bundles of Achu. Yellow soup preparation. While the cocoa yam and banana are being pounded, the meat and skin is also cooking on the fireplace. Firstly, slice the meat and skin and wash it thoroughly. Secondly, put in a pot and add enough water, salt and Maggi. Then, allow to cook until it is soft enough. This can take about 30 to 45 minutes, depending on the type. Mix the red palm oil and Niki in a bowl or pot till it turns pure yellow. Drain the stock from the meat and pour it in the bowl or pot. Use a second bowl to mix the soup well by turning it from bowl to bowl till it is pure yellow and thick enough. You can also use a blender to blend if you have one, otherwise continue mixing for about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the quantity. When these 3 stages are accomplished, then, Achu and yellow soup is ready for the table. So yummy! Some health benefits of Achu and yellow soup. Considering its ingredients, Achu and yellow soup is very rich in carbohydrates from the cocoa yams, proteins from the meat, vitamins from red palm oil and vegetable, fats and oils from the red palm oil, calcium from the yellow soup. The yellow soup also fixes minor stomach upsets. If this presentation has helped you, subscribe, like, and share with friends.